Welcome back. Today, we're talking about prompt engineering, the skill that separates people who get garbage output from AI and people who get real work done. A prompt is the instruction you give to an AI tool. The quality of your prompt determines the quality of the response. Most people write vague prompts like, analyze this log, and get a vague answer back. Here's how to do it right. First, give context. Instead of analyze this log, write you're a SOC analyst. Review this Windows event log for signs of lateral movement. Flag any suspicious logons, process executions, or privilege escalations. See the difference? You told the AI who it is, what to look at, and what to look for. Second, be specific about the output format. Don't just ask for analysis. Ask for a table with columns for timestamp, event, severity, and recommended action. This forces the AI to organize its thinking and gives you something you can actually use. Third, provide examples. If you want the AI to triage alerts in a specific way, paste one example of how you triage an alert and ask it to follow that pattern. Fourth, iterate. Your first prompt won't be perfect. If the output isn't useful, refine your prompt and try again. This is a skill that improves with practice. In the next lesson, we'll use AI to write actual automation scripts for IT tasks.